Hello, let's learn how Helperbird's word prediction works. Navigate to the word prediction feature. Click to open. Make sure your word prediction toggle is blue and turned to on. We're going to demonstrate word prediction in Google Docs, but it works on any website. This slider adjusts how many of the predicted words are suggested as you type. This changes the position of where the predicted words appear on the page, from either the bottom of the page or the left side of the page. And this setting changes the language used in word prediction. For now, we're going to leave it with English, with the bar position on the bottom and 4 suggested words. Now, I am TYP. Now I am typing the word typing. You can see at the bottom there are suggested words. Typing is the word that I want to use. I'm going to select it. Typing. A demonstration. As you can see, I've left out the letter N from demonstration and I have misspelled it. Helperbird's word prediction will even correct your spelling as it predicts what you're typing. Demonstration right here in red, showing that this word has been misspelled and suggesting the corrected spelling of the word. This will be what I click to change demonstration to demonstration. But I also want to demonstrate on demonstration that there are these little audio symbols next to the words, and this will read out what that word is. So I'm going to click that and you'll be able to hear it.
Demonstration.
That is the correct word. Clicking demonstration, and now you see the word has been replaced with the word demonstration, spelled correctly. Now, let's adjust some of these settings over here. We're going to up the amount of words that are suggested. So let's up that to the maximum amount of 8, and we're going to change the bar position to the left. My name is Courtney. Notice as I'm typing, words are being suggested on the left, 8 of them, and on the left position. Let's continue. I have 2 kittens at home.
Home.
And that is how Helperbird's word prediction feature and settings work.